Hi yogis, welcome back. Today we're going to learn balancing breath. This is one that is neutral as far as breath techniques go. So if you are feeling too energized, stressed, on the verge of anxiety, or if you're feeling too lethargic, tired, and depressed, this breath brings you back into the middle. It is similar to a box breath, but a little faster, a little easier. We will inhale for a count of 4 and then exhale for a count of 4. So pretty easy, balanced. You might think that's just like how I normally breathe. However, most people breathe shorter than that, faster, and they don't take a full deep breath. They might inhale for 2, pause, exhale for 1 or 2, and keep going. So this kind of slows you down more than you think. It brings in a lot of fresh air and helps you exhale all the way, but staying in balance. So you're not getting energized, you're not getting relaxed, you're just staying neutral in the middle. So we'll do 10 rounds of it together. I'll count you through a few of them, and then I'll take out my counting and just say inhale and exhale so that you can follow along with me. So find an easy seat or somewhere comfortable, sitting up or laying down, and we'll get started. First round. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and continue on your own. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. And inhale, let's keep going. Exhale. Inhale, just a few more. Exhale. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. And last exhale. And relax. So that was balancing breath. Inhaling for a count of 4, exhaling for a count of 4. So same number. If 4 is a little too slow for you, you could always do 3 and 3. Or if you want to stretch it out, you could do 5 and 5. So we'll see you next time at A Yogi Like Me. Thanks for watching.